Okay, Dave here with Saddleback Leather, and I want to show you the organizer bag. Check this out. But first, let me show you where we are. We are here in Central Africa in a country called Gabon, and there are a bunch of storks and pelicans and African garter birds that are nesting here. And so we're checking this out. We're close to the ocean, but this is super cool here with Cross. But let me show you this organizer bag. I got like this. It's just one piece of leather. It's just one solid piece of leather. And what a lot of people do, I do, I keep GoPros and I keep stuff in it. Here we go. I just keep this real simple. Now this is a really popular corporate gift, and a lot of companies just give these out as corporate gifts. And here we go. Just wraps like this around it. You see, it's kind of hard with one hand here. I'll show you. Just wraps around, and you just drop it into your bag. See? Goes like that. And this one, anyway, corporate gifts, we put logos on these things, and people really like it. But anyway, check this place out. Isn't that spectacular?